Hello to my 20 viewers. What you put in your hair? I put onion oil. Yeah, more onion oil. Hello Shannon, Bartsley. Let's see. Onion oil, guys, for my scalp, to make my scalp is long. To make my scalp is good and long hair and strong hair. Wow, sis! Thank you so much, Alexa. Sa tingin ko natutulog yung yung 70K. Only 90 viewers watching. Oh my God. Buta lang siguro yung nanonood. 90. Buta lang sa sa 75K, Alexa. You're welcome, Shannon Baxley. You're welcome. Yeah, it's onion. I put onion oil in evening, guys. And tomorrow I wash my hair tomorrow. I take a bath tomorrow. It's for my hair growing. For strong growth. Strong growth of my baby hair. Because my hair, guys, have many falling hair. So I need to put onion oil. It's a home remedy. Beautiful hair. Thank you. Look at Shannon. I have baby bangs. I have baby bangs. Look, because I put onion oil here. So have may tumubo siyang, meron siyang nag-grow na baby hair on my hair on my head. Prasad, hello to you, Prasad. Aldad, hey Aldad. Dean Agents. I'm back from patulog. Oh, thank you for coming back. Like that. Thank you for the like. It's working, obviously looks great. Yeah, it's working. I have many baby hair because of onion juice. I always make every night before going to sleep.